Hi, I'm Laura Hoy for Benzinga, and here's a look at what you can expect from the markets today, Monday, September 16th. President Obama's #1 choice in the race to become the next Federal Reserve Chairman has dropped out. Lawrence Summers was criticized for being too close to Wall Street and also for his reputation of being abrasive. The news caused U.S. Treasury yields to drop to 2.08%, their lowest level since September 3rd. Just a week before German general elections conclude, current Chancellor Angela Merkel and her coalition government have faced some setbacks. Early results of the Bavarian state elections showed that her junior coalition partner, the Free Democratic Party, earned just 3% of the vote. The US and Russia have agreed on a UN program that will destroy Syria's chemical weapons over the next 9 months. President Obama has been criticized for the decision. However, he defended it, saying that a diplomatic solution will be better in the long run and that military force could still be necessary. German officials have been working together with the European Union in order to push forward plans for the region's banking union. Germany originally claimed that a banking union would violate the terms of the European Union's treaty. However, now German officials are working to create the banking union without violating the terms of the treaty. With the Federal Reserve meeting coming up, markets are bracing for the bank to taper its stimulus spending by 10 to 15 billion euros. However, months of anticipation and forward guidance from the bank could allow bond and equity markets to take the Federal Reserve taper in stride. Asian markets were mostly up on Monday morning. The Kospi was up 0.96%, New Zealand's NZ50 was up 0.92%, and the Hang Seng Index was up 1.47%. The Japanese Nikkei was up 0.12%, and the Shanghai Composite lost 0.22%. European markets were up across the board. The UK's FTSE was up 0.90%, and the Eurozone Stoxx 600 was up 0.81%. The German DAX gained 1.21%, and the Spanish IBEX was up 1.06%. Easing tension in the Middle East caused energy futures to fall on Monday. Brent futures for November delivery were down by 0.33%, and WTI futures for October delivery were down by 0.28%. Gold and silver were both up. Gold was up 0.83% and silver was up 0.81%. The dollar lost 0.43% against both the euro and the pound after reports that Lawrence Summers was withdrawing from the race to lead the Fed. The yen also gained 0.53% against the dollar, and the rupee was up 1.24% against the dollar. NXP Semiconductors lost 2.08% after an announcement that certain principal stockholders had begun an offering of 25 million shares. Benzinga was up 0.66% in pre-market trade after announcing that it had settled a lawsuit over the alleged theft of game secrets. SiriusXM Radio was up 0.40% after announcing that the Wharton School of Business would be featured on a new business talk channel. On Monday's economic calendar, we've got U.S. industrial production, Eurozone CPI, Italian trade balance, and Norwegian trade balance. Also notable will be a speech by ECB President Mario Draghi. And that's it for today's Market Primer. I'm Laura Hoy for Benzinga. Good luck on all of your trades.